Hey guys, today I'm filming my bad side, and I'm gonna build a kite. But we're gonna do kind of an ASMR style of this. For the most part, I'm winging it. I watched my friend's tutorial once, and I think I'm just gonna go from memory. So we've got the string, so I can fly it. This is our kite material. It's a tablecloth, scissors, ribbon for fun, stars for fun. Hopefully they're shiny in the sun. And you only need 4 wooden dowels, but I got 6, and I love the sound they make. So satisfying. But yeah, the wooden dowels, which will give our kite structure. You can see I'm going with a green theme here. I'm a little bit worried because the inside of this is fuzzy, but I don't think it should be too much of an issue. But we'll see. Okay, maybe I will look at the tutorial just one more time. Okay, let's see here. Where did I put my marker down? Where have I put it? Jeez. Could you guys tell me where I put it down? Oh, here's.
First, test the bend of your dowels. There's a maximum bend any dowel can handle, so try feeling out this limit without breaking your dowel. It's important to test this a little because you don't want a kite design that makes your dowels break because they were bent past their limit.
I feel like this is good.
This is the wing. At the top of this curve, add a triangle. The triangle is the head. To complete the half bird shape, add a rectangle at the bottom. This is the tail.
I should draw.
Note that I'm not giving specific measurements or even a specific pattern here because the shape of your bird is truly dependent on the type of dowels you have. You'll notice I'm doing a lot of eyeballing here. Again, there's no one right way to create a kite and no one perfect size.
Okay. Hopefully this is right. I think I'll cut it out and see what happens.
Cutting might feel at first like a permanent step, but trust in trial and error. And that really all amazing creations come from a process of trial and error and iteration.
Okay, here we go. Let's do it. Oh. Hey. I don't think that's very nice of you. Well, at least we know it'll fly. I guess that's as good as it's gonna be. If this fits, then we're good. Oh no, guys, it's a little big. I think I can just snip my dowel a little though. Hopefully that works. Maybe it hangs out a little. Okay. I don't know what Laurel did in her video for tape, but I'm just gonna do my own thing. Okay. start with just taping the middle down. That's something to start. I feel like it's chill. It's also funny with this fabric, but it's good. Okay, let's give the middle one a shot. And my dowel's like super long, so I don't know, I guess you just break it. That's easy enough. Let's just do the middle one now. I feel like the middle one should go under this bent one. There's definitely like a couple adhesive issues just with the nature of my fabric that I've chosen. I don't remember how they work. We'll check.
The first is called the vertical spar,
Ooh, okay.
which goes down the center of the bird. The second and third are called the spreader spars. They will stretch from the wingtip to the tail feathers on the opposite side. And the fourth is from wingtip to wingtip, which is another spreader spar.
Alright, so this is gonna be a
So
little
the first
weird.
one,
Oh, okay,
the vertical
maybe.
spar, is straight, going down the center from beak to tail feathers.
Yeah, my kite isn't really built like that. I guess I messed up a little bit, but... Fuck. Let me get this one. That's not bad. I just don't think my tape will hold, honestly.
One of my favorite
It's too
design
bad.
mantras is to keep your design suboptimal to encourage evolution. It's related to the concept of adaptive design, which was described in a presentation by the designer Dan Hill as about designing to enable the user to change things. You strive for good enough as a starting point, such that the user feels they have a way in. Almost an implicit goal of working through the finished design themselves. It sees design as a social process, developing over time, via a relationship with the user. But it's no wonder our society is scared to adapt design things. We live in a world with an emphasis on perfect.
Don't take this the wrong way. Think your side is your side. Uh-oh, I don't see that working. Oh, this isn't working, buddy. Alright, well, that's good enough for me then. How's that do? Yeah, it does something. Let's open this up and see what happens. Oh yeah. Yeah, I would use different tape next time. When I get home, I might try to rebuild this, but with like literal duct tape. Okay, so I'm gonna just tie these. Very pretty. And now it's time for this string. So we can actually fly it. Hopefully it flies or something. If not, there's nothing wrong with making a prototype. So we'll see. The beginning of this. I mean, this feels like it's the top, at least. Oh, yeah, we did it. We found it. The top. Okay, so I don't know where Laurel ties hers, but I'm just gonna tie mine in the middle. Yeah, definitely lower.
I like this step because it gives the bird some wave. Kind of like a sine wave. And waves remind me of surfing and other activities like windsurfing, hang gliding, parachuting that people do for fun that actively involve the wind and sometimes water.
Ah, Jesus, it broke. Stop. No. Oh, it broke, guys. It broke. Well, that sucks. Well, let's see if we can mend it, I guess. I don't know. Okay, let's see if that works. Oh! Good night. Rest in peace. Oh, I broke. Hi, puppy. No. Uh-oh.
It's not yours. Sorry.
It's okay. Oh. Hi. Oh gosh.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Jackson, now you. Oh no, sorry.
okay.
Jackson, get over here. Jackson, here. Sit.
It's not so bad. It's nice and sunny. Let's see. Oh. Yeah, it's a little fluffy. Oh. Okay. Well, I can change it up. Yeah, that's not elevated. Oh. You having fun today? Yeah, you're having a good day. You flew my kite. You had so much fun. Wow, you want coconut? Oh. Hey, hey, hey. It was so crazy. Hey, alright. Yeah, let me help you. Look, you're all stuck.
Baby!
You're all tangled. You're all tangled up. Let me fix this. You crazy. Look at you. You're just tangling yourself up more. How are you so crazy? Oh! How are you so nutty? How are you so nutty? Anyway, I packed up all my stuff and I took off all the sticks and folded up the kite. I think I will try it again just in case. And maybe just a little tiny bit thicker dowels because I'm a little tough on them, I guess. But everything else worked fine. I think I will revisit this with stronger tape and stronger dowels. Period. See you next time. Wish I knew what any of these fish were really called. I like how it goes down. Starts at red fish and goes down to blue fish. Whoa. Look, we'll really have enough to make more. But yeah, sheesh, it's harder than you'd anticipate. But we have a really cute draft coming up. I kind of have a better idea of how to tape these now that I have some experience. I feel like this might be good. Okay. Okay. Yes. Boom. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
That might. We'll see. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Let's go. That's freaking sick, dude. We did it. We really did it. But yeah, it seems that putting that one piece of tape in the middle really made all the difference. Helped keep its shape. I think I'm gonna put a couple more pieces of tape. I think I'm seeing some bending that would need to be happening. I don't know. You can always remove the tape. Hey! I think I could make a splint. But, yeah, that's pretty sad. It's always sad when it breaks. Well, we did get some really good flight in there, so. I might try to use these as a splint, because I still want to fly it at another park, or I might just buy some new dowels and fix it. The heat makes it really easy to readjust the tape, so it should be easy to do, but I'll do that another time. Maybe you can go to my Instagram to check that out, because it might not be in this video. Or maybe it'll be in the next video.